Lily is a happy girl. She loves to play. Lily has a secret. She has a talking pet. His name is Squeaky and he is a fluffy blue squirrel. Squeaky is very funny. He makes Lily laugh every day. One sunny day, Lily and Squeaky were playing in the garden. "Let's go on an adventure," Squeaky said. "An adventure? Where should we go?" asked Lily. "Close your eyes and wish for something magical," whispered Squeaky. Lily closed her eyes tight. She wished for a land full of rainbows and candies. When she opened her eyes, everything looked different. Lily and Squeaky were not in the garden anymore. Lily gasped. "Wow, Squeaky, where are we?" The world around them sparkled. Trees shimmered with rainbow colors. The ground was covered in delicious-looking candies. "We are in the sparkling forest. I told you magic works," Squeaky chirped. Lily giggled. Everything was so pretty and exciting. They skipped through the forest, munching on sweet candies and admiring the beautiful scenery. They saw fluffy bunnies with butterfly wings and heard birds singing cheerful melodies. As they walked deeper into the forest, the sunlight started to fade. "Squeaky, it's getting dark." "I'm a little scared," said Lily, holding Squeaky tight. "Don't worry, Lily. I'm here," Squeaky reassured her, puffing out his chest. The sparkling forest was even more beautiful at night. But the problem was, it was very dark. Lily couldn't see anything. "Squeaky, I can't see," Lily exclaimed. "Oh no, the fireflies! They light up the forest at night, but they seem to be gone." Squeaky sounded worried. Without the fireflies, they couldn't find their way. "We need to help the fireflies come back," said Squeaky. "I have an idea," Lily exclaimed. She remembered the song her mother sang to her every night. She started singing the same tune, a sweet and gentle melody. As Lily sang, a magical thing happened. Tiny specks of light began to appear around them. The tiny lights grew, turning into beautiful fireflies. They fluttered around Lily and Squeaky, lighting up the forest with their magical glow. "You did it, Lily. Your song brought the fireflies back." Squeaky cheered. Lily was very happy. With the fireflies lighting the way, Lily and Squeaky found a path leading out of the sparkling forest. "Squeaky, I'm tired, but this was the best adventure ever," Lily yawned. "Me too, but let's go home now," Squeaky replied. Lily closed her eyes and wished to be back home. When she opened them, she was in her garden again. The sun was setting, painting the sky in beautiful colors. It felt like a dream, but Lily knew it was real. She hugged Squeaky tightly. "Thank you, Squeaky, for the magical adventure." She knew their adventures were just beginning.